earlier today between about noon and 12:45. It was issued, but thankfully no confirmed tornado touchdown or no reports of damage coming from that area. So that is good news. And right now, the heaviest of the rain is out of here. And if I step out, you can actually see a tornado warning that has been issued for parts of northern Indiana and southwest Michigan there until 6:30. That severe weather threat is now off to the east of us. As I put radar into motion, there you can see that tornado warning that was issued at 12:30 here in southern Cook County. And it's because of this cell had just enough spin in the atmosphere, and radar was indicating some tightening of rotation within that rain cell. So it did prompt that tornado warning. Again, no confirmed tornado touchdown reported in this area, but definitely an interesting weather day and total change of seasons from last week to this week. And right now, just a few isolated showers that will linger with a cloudy sky. So it is going to be a bit dreary. And take a look at the rainfall totals. We did need the rain. Midway, almost an inch. O'Hare, a little over a quarter of an inch of rainfall, but some areas picking upwards of 1 to 2 inches of rain. Anywhere where you see those green bands and pockets, that's where we picked up on the heavier rain. This system will continue to exit, leaving some showers. And the latest updates on Tropical Storm Helene, expected to intensify into a hurricane, and the remnants potentially impacting us this weekend. Those details coming up, guys.
All right, Cheryl, thank you.
One warning that was issued earlier today, our severe weather threat, it is now over. We just had some weak spin in the atmosphere that prompted that warning. We'll talk about that in a second, but take a look alive outside, and you can see this is our mood for the day. We are gloomy. Those clouds, the low-level moisture, the rain there on the lens, and that low-level cloud cover, as well as some fog that will develop overnight, cutting off the tops of the buildings. We are in need of the rain. However, it came down fast and heavy for a good amount of time this morning and into the early afternoon. Right now, we sit at 66 degrees. Live Doppler 7 Max right now. The heaviest of the rain is out of here, but we still do have some moisture lingering, so some isolated showers here. A tornado warning still in effect off to the east of us there in parts of northern Indiana and southern Michigan there. That system continues to weaken, but again, that severe weather moving out of our area. This was earlier today as I paused this right around 12:30, and there you can see the tornado warning that was issued because of this cell, and you can see it somewhat taking on a little bit of some spin there. So radar indicated that spin. We were looking at velocity, and that prompted that warning for a brief period of time. So thankfully everyone took that seriously. However, no serious damage coming out of that, and no confirmed tornado touchdown at this point in time. We are left with the isolated showers into the evening. We did pick up a decent amount of rain around the area today. Some of you getting close to an inch, Midway, Morris, and some of you a little bit over an inch of rain, where we had that steady, heavy rain for a prolonged period of time. Frankfort, over 3 inches of rain. Mokina, almost 3 inches. Oak Forest, close to 2.5 there. So definitely some much needed and impressive rain out there today. So as we take a look at those stats for September, we're at about 1.25 inch of rain there, but below average by that as well. But we definitely made up some ground on our rain deficit, helping out our drought conditions. So as we go into the evening, we're tracking this area of low pressure that's slowly moving up and away from us. And there you can see a lot of severe weather popping just off to the south and parts of the Ohio River Valley down towards Kentucky and Tennessee. We have that wraparound moisture that will be moving in tonight, so some isolated showers continuing. Winds out of the north could provide us with some lake showers as we head into our Wednesday, but also gradual clearing skies expected, with temperatures going up a bit as well. Outside right now, we're in the mid to upper 60s. Below average, we're back into the 70s for our Wednesday and Thursday, and then clouds on the increase here into our Friday. Into the weekend is when we're looking at our next best chance of some showers moving in, and that will be because of Tropical Storm Helene right now. That will intensify into a hurricane here as we go into the next 24 hours. This is going to barrel into the Gulf of Mexico, and there you can see likely making landfall here as we go later in the day on Thursday, potentially intensifying to a major Cat 3 hurricane. Major impacts here for Florida, the Panhandle, and then as this pushes inland, a lot of moisture and rain. And notice for us as we go into our Saturday and Sunday, we'll be tracking the system as it moves up and lifts to the north, providing us with some rain chances on the northern edge of this system as we go into our Saturday and Sunday. So looking a bit cloudy as well as rainy for our weekend. For tonight, 50s and 60s, some patchy dense fog behind the showers. We break out some sunshine. We'll be